Jamaica is the tip of an underwater mountain that extends all the way to the sea floor. This underwater mountain range is unsurprisingly called the Jamaica Ridge. From several different satellites in space, we can get kind of an image of what's going on underneath the island. Jamaica rose during the Miocene epoch, when the North American and Caribbean tectonic plates collided, forcing this land upward due to volcanic activity underneath the water. We know that the land Jamaica is comprised of definitely did rise out of the sea, because we can see that it was underwater for a very long time due to the fact that the land is comprised of mostly limestone. Limestone is formed when there is water with a high concentration of calcium carbonate sediments. In most cases of land formation, calcium carbonate sediment is found in marine environments, so underneath the water. Nearly 50% of Jamaica is over 1,000 feet above sea level due to this mountainous formation. Jamaica is actually one of the most mountainous islands in the Caribbean, and I think it comes in the top 3. Jamaica has never been connected to another continent in its dry land state today. This is why I accredit Jamaica's unique wildlife with the land formation. So, is Jamaica a volcano? 25 million years and before? Yes. It seems that most of the islands in the Caribbean were underwater volcanoes and became encased in limestone from being underneath the water for such a long time. Is Jamaica still a volcano, or has it been in the past few million years? No. Is 25 million years, or even a little bit less, enough time for unique species to develop? I think yes, absolutely. I think this is the picture that shows the underwater, well, what we can see of it with the least disturbance or least like cloud cover. It looks really great here. You can definitely see underneath the island. It's coming up above something. I think that's really awesome. Anyways, that's all I wanted to tell you. Bye.
What my Jamaican husband makes for dinner. So this is my daughter's. This one's for me. No rice for me because, you know, I'm trying to get those pounds off ASAP. For himself, the big thing. And for our son, baby tree. Yeah, see, she's yamming that down.
Shame, I never know say have all Batman so old couple sodomites. Never see them thing in my life. They say them boy are fuck Batif and them young and them old, sir. And still in it. I want a lightning ball phone. We all live too nice round here.